Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, are under pressure, with ETH falling below $1,300 and hitting a new September low. Risk aversion has hit riskier assets as Fed and recession fears weigh on the crypto market. Do not forget to put likes, write comments, subscribe to the channel, preferably right while watching. Technical indicators are bearish, suggesting a possible look at 2022 lows. Bitcoin, BTC, fell 3.51% on Sunday, abandoning a 1.57% gain from Saturday. BTC ended the week down 11.1% to $19,418. In a bearish Sunday session, BTC fell from an early high of $20,125 to a late low of $19,350. BTC fell through the first major support, S1, at $19,851 and the second major support, S2, at $19,576, ending the week below $19,500. After rising 2.44% on Saturday, Ethereum, ETH, fell 9.12%. A bearish Sunday sent ETH down 24.5% to $1,335 in a week. Tracking the broader market, ETH dropped from an early high of $1,470 to a late low of $1,326. ETH fell through the first major support, S1, at $1,427 and the second major support, S2, at $1,384, ending the week below $1,350. After Saturday's brief relief, investors' attention shifted from the Ethereum merger to the Federal Reserve. While attitudes towards the rate hike were marginal this week, last week's U.S. CPI report showed uncertainty about what to expect in the coming months. According to the CME Fed Watch tool, there is a 13.3% chance of an interest rate hike on November 2, compared to 0.0% a week ago. While the odds of a 75 basis point rate hike have held steady, the odds of a 50 basis point rate hike have declined from 30.7% to 27.0% over the last 7 days. There are no U.S. economic indicators between now and Wednesday's political decision to reverse sentiment, leaving BTC and ETH at the mercy of the Fed and fearing a global recession. At the moment, BTC is down 4.87% to $18,472. On a bearish morning, BTC fell from an early high of $19,522 to a new September low of $18,256. BTC fell through the first major support, S1, at $19,137 and the second major support, S2, at $18,856. BTC needs to break through S2, S1 and a $19,631 reversal to reach the first major resistance level, R1, at $19,912 and Sunday's high of $20,125. As investors await a monetary policy decision on Wednesday, the Nasdaq 100 index will continue to have an impact. The Nasdaq 100 mini fell 120 points this morning. In the event of a wide-ranging cryptocurrency bounce, BTC should test the second major resistance level, R2, at $20,406 and resistance at $20,500. The third major resistance level, R3, is at $21,181. Failure to break through S2, S1 and the pivot point will leave the third major support level, S3, at $18,081. In the event of an extended sell-off during the daily session, the June 2022 low of $17,605 could come into view. Looking at the EMA and the 4-hour candlestick chart, below, this was a bearish signal. Bitcoin has been below the 50-day EMA this morning, currently at $20,038. A move through R1, $19,912, and the 50-day EMA, $20,038, will give the bulls an edge over the 100-day EMA, $20,300, and R2, $20,406. The 200-day EMA is $20,769. However, the failure to get through the 50-day EMA will leave BTC under pressure. At the time of writing, ETH is down 2.78% to $1,298. A bearish morning saw ETH drop from an early high of $1,354 to a new September low of $1,279. ETH tested the first major support level, S1, at $1,284. ETH needs to break through the $1,377 reversal to reach the first major resistance level, R1, at $1,428 and Sunday's high at $1,470. However, a marked shift in risk appetite would be required to support a return to $1,400. In the event of an extended rally, ETH could target the second major resistance level, R2, at $1,521. The third major resistance level, R3, is at $1,665. Failure to break through the pivot point will leave the first major support level, S1, at $1,284. Barring an extended daily sell-off, ETH should be avoided falling below $1,200. The second major support level, S2, at $1,233 should cap the fall.